Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the exact cells you want to control. Don't pick whole columns unless needed. Once selected, open data validation and pick the rule type that fits the input pattern. If you choose list, store the options nearby or create a named range so formulas stay stable. Make sure to check ignore blank when blanks are allowed and uncheck it when every cell must contain a valid entry. This sets the foundation for strict, repeatable validation. Now you create the detailed logic. Choose custom and write a formula that returns true for valid entries. For example, equals and is number. A2 greater or equals 0 to enforce non-negative numbers. Once done, use named ranges or helper columns for dynamic lists so options update without breaking validation. Also configure input message to guide users and error alert to block invalid entries. This is why validation reduces mistakes. Test with edge cases, empty, boundary, and wrong types to confirm the rule works as expected. To finish, copy the validation to all target cells using paste special validation or set the range in the original dialog so every cell shares the rule. Then protect the sheet if you need to stop users from deleting or changing rules, but permit input on unlocked cells. If something goes wrong, make sure formulas use correct relative references, that named ranges point to the right place, and that cell formats, text versus number, aren't blocking matches. Adjusting these fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.